After much anticipation, Samsung has finally revealed the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the ultimate flagship phone for 2024 that is sure to be one of the year's top picks. With all the best hardware and software features available, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the always successful formula behind Samsung's top flagships, which has been largely maintained since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a large device that resembles a S Pen and has all the features of an old Galaxy Note phone. The small but noteworthy modifications with the Galaxy S23 Ultra should significantly enhance the user experience overall. Let's investigate how the Galaxy S24 Ultra has evolved and what's new. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium design is the main innovation. Taking a cue from the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the new Samsung flagship eschews protective aluminum in favor of the more expensive metal. Furthermore, the front display is now entirely flat with even reduced bezels, increasing the amount of usable screen real estate, even if the design is mostly flat on all sides. The phone is more ergonomic and easy to grasp in your hand since the side frame still has a little outward bend. In contrast, the sides of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are both perfectly flat. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has IP68 water and dust resistance. Naturally, the S Pen pen has returned with a bang, better than before, and is still located on the left side of the phone. The titanium yellow, titanium violet, titanium black, and titanium gray Galaxy S24 phone variants are available. Titanium orange, titanium green, and titanium blue are the three additional color variants that are only available when buying the Galaxy via the Samsung.com shop, following tradition. Along with the new Corning glass armor protection, the Galaxy S24 Ultra should provide you peace of mind that it won't scratch or fracture easily. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.